Sometimes we have faced this issue that charger plugged in but not charging on your laptop. Basically, the main reasons for this problem is battery damage, setting issues, and update problem. Here I will show some iterative method to solve this problem. So be patient and try the methods one by one very carefully. So at first just right click on the taskbar and now click on task manager. Now on the list you have to find out Windows Explorer. So just keep scrolling down and once you have find Windows Explorer, after that do a right click and select Intex. Then you have to click on reset and it will reset your Windows charging related all issues. Now plug in your charger and see its work or not. But in case it is not working, then we have the second method. Just go to the search bar and type here device manager. Now on the suggestion you have to click on device manager. Now once the windows is open up, now you have to choose batteries. Now do a right click and select uninstall. So once it is uninstalled, you have to shut down your Windows and now unplug a charging cable. Now after that you have to again turn on your PC and again plug in your charger cable. Now see it's fixed your problem or not. But in case if it is not, then we have another method. Go to the home icon, do a right click and select setting, and once a setting is up you have to click on update and security. Now on the left hand side you have to click on troubleshoot option. Now additional troubleshoot. Now here you have to find out power option. So here it is the power option. Just do a click and you have to click on run the troubleshoot. And once you have clicked this, it will run the troubleshooter and the troubleshooter is find out is there any troubleshooter problem on your power option like batteries and other settings. So once it is done, you have to close this window and once again you have to restart your PC and check that your problem is gone or not. But in case if it is still not working for you, then we have to go to the search bar and type here power and sleep setting. Now on the suggestion you have to click on the power and sleep settings. Here on the right hand side you have to click on additional power setting. Now click on change power setting under balance option. In my case I am using balance under power option, but in your case if you are using advanced, then you have to click on change plan setting under advanced option. Now click on restore default setting for this plan and it says are you sure you want to restore this plan's default settings. You have to click on yes. Once done, close this tab and again go to the search bar, type here power and sleep setting. Now on the suggestion you have to click on power and sleep setting again. Now here you have to click on again setup, and this time you have to click on choose the what the power button does. Then click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Now uncheck this box and turn on fast startup, then save the changes. And once it is done, after that again you have to restart your Windows, and once it is open up, I am pretty sure your problem will be gone.